This video is to introduce you to the new technology from CHCNAV. This is the I100 GNSS LiDAR. It's the little brother, little sister of the RS10. It is a similar technology, cameras, LiDAR, IMU and GNSS board. There's a few upgrades on it, a few simplifications. The main difference is we don't need a PC to process this. This is SLAM data on the go, integrating that with the GNSS to make it a kind of go anywhere piece of kit. In the box we've got everything we need. We've got USB-C charging cables. All their equipment is USB-C, which means that you don't have to worry about expensive cables and chargers and stuff like that. If you forget your charger, you go down to your local Argos, Currys, supermarket, wherever you want to go, and get your charger from there. Then we've also got a radio aerial, because this is a fully operational GNSS, meaning you can use it via network corrections or via the base station, so it's go anywhere. That goes in the bottom of the device there. I'm not going to put it in it because I want to put it on the table. On the back, you've got a one button press to power on, power off. You've got 22 hours battery usage when you're just using GNSS. When you're using the SLAM as well, you get 5.5 hours usage out of that. On the front of the device, we've got an 8 megapixel camera for video survey, where you can just pick points off the screen because it's got the LiDAR behind it, it'll give you coordinates. You've got two 2 megapixel cameras there for colouring the point cloud, which is got from this LiDAR device on the front. And then you've got a 2 megapixel camera on the bottom, which will kind of, while you're doing video stakeout, it uses a mixture of the front one and the bottom one, depending on how far you are from the point. That LiDAR has got a 70 metre range. It'll work up to over about 30 metres on 10% flectivity. So it's not super long range LiDAR for what it's designed to do. It's perfect. You can walk around a stockpile, scan it and get a volume. You can do the same with an excavation. You can use it to integrate the SLAM with the GNSS to make it a go anywhere piece of kit. When your GPS fails, the SLAM will pick it up. I've also got an Android tablet, which is open to any software you want to put on it. Works fully operational with Google. That sits in the cradle there, which will then attach on to any survey pole, but fixes with a bayonet clamp just into there like that. So that fits on there. That then fits on there. And we're good to go. That will extend up to 2.2 metres, I think. But the advantage of it being a LiDAR device as well is you don't need to get that pole everywhere. If I can point at it and see it, I can just record a point on the screen.